It's a CarTalk.
Yo, babe.
It's a CarTalk. Yeah. I know we're in a car, and I know sometimes it's really hard to hear us, and so I'm going to ask him to yell at the camera. And you know what? I'll tell you, I've had such a hard time remembering where I look in a TV in a phone screen because I can't remember if I'm supposed to look at the camera. I don't think so. I'm supposed to look straight ahead. Anyway, welcome to CarTalk. It has been, oh my gosh, a lot of months since we did a CarTalk. And it's a gorgeous day. The fires have settled down. The smoke has gone away pretty much. We've got excellent air quality. And it's just a beautiful fall day.
It's the first day of fall.
Yes.
And it's National Voter Registration.
And it's National Voter Registration Day. So get out there and register to vote. So anyway, we decided to take a drive out. We're taking a ride out where we think we won't end up anywhere where there's been fires. And, they're trying to mop that mess up. And we've had landslides because we had a lot of rain and the trees were gone. Okay. It's time for us to take a hiatus. And there's a lot of reasons. First of all, I am personally under a tremendous amount of anxiety and stress. And it's self-induced. I own it, but a lot of what's going on has just finally taken its toll on me. I have had this shoulder problem, and I went into the doctor yesterday, and it's like this knot. And she said, it's all of it right there in that shoulder. You've got everything in there that's telling you to calm down and unplug for a while. And that's what I need to do. And of course, my little cohort in crime here.
Yep, that's what she needs to do. Between the election, the pandemic, the fires,
Speak up.
YouTube, all the stresses in life right now, and not so much for Jill for a day, but for me, lifetime meat eater, the stress of switching back to a vegan diet. I'm happy we did it.
Yeah.
I'm committed to it, but it's still, it's still a period of adjustment for me.
Definitely.
And it's a period of adjustment for you too, because you now have the stress of making new foods and making meals interesting, and so it's just and plus the amount of work that's involved in YouTube is under the constant pressure of having to produce a video, having to edit it, upload it, and then respond to everybody who writes in. Right now it's just too much for her, and she's gonna kick back for a while.
I am. I want to do some stuff for me. I got a loom. Remember, I purchased a loom, and I've got everything now I need, almost everything I need to start weaving, and I want to spend some time doing that, and I want to spend some time in the kitchen for us. Now, having said all that, I think the one thing I am going to do, though, is because I think I've had some really good fall recipes, and fall is here. I think the one thing that I will do is I think I will re-up some of those older fall recipes and reissue them on YouTube. So you will see some videos come through, and they will be they'll be edited, that kind of thing.
Oldies but goodies.
Oh yes, exactly, oldies but goodies. And
kind of like us.
Yeah, and I feel like that's good. I can do that, and it'll be nice to kind of keep my finger in the pot. Finger in the pot. Is that right?
In the pot.
In the pie, finger in the pie.
I like pie.
He loves pie, and so that's what we're gonna do. And maybe after the election and the dust settles, whichever way it's going to settle, I'll be ready to come back. But right now, I'm overwhelmed by everything. The pandemic has been stressful. The fires have been stressful. The campaigning has been stressful, and I'm done. Okay, so there you go. But we love you all, and we cherish all of you and all the wonderful comments that you give, and the fact that you continue to watch my channel. It's just overwhelming how pleased I am with that.
It's kind of like Bill Nighy's manager in Love Actually says, it's been an honor.
It's been an honor, yeah. All right, but this is not goodbye. This is just farewell for a while. Okay, I guess that's it.
That's it.
That's it, everybody. We love you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.